Rosa said we're gonna have to learn how to do this because I guess she thinks this is gonna happen all the time. No, right?
It's happened to me three times.
3 times? I thought she was on her phone and she hit somebody and freaking like you hit somebody.
I'm a pro driver.
Pro drivers change their tires. Wonderful way to start our journey of living together, right? So guys, right here, come here, show. Rosa was driving and I literally thought we got in a freaking car accident because there's a hole in the tire. Rosa scared the shit out of me. And I feel like you're never gonna drive me around again. Because I literally felt like we got in a car accident.
Sorry.
So we gotta change the tire. Here, you wanna do me a favor?
Yeah.
Hold my bag. Anybody comes by.
Oh shit.
Alright.
You don't know how to change a tire.
I don't know how to change the tires.
Nope.
To be honest, I really don't. But
You don't know.
I think JR knows how to
Yeah.
do it. See, that's why I got JR. Does he know what to do? What the fuck, my fingers.
Babe, I don't even think that's the string. I mean, the thing.
Yo. Hey, yo, JR, what do you do with this shit? Yeah, come, Mr. JR.
I know how to change it.
Yeah, you popped mine, remember?
Well, I mean, I don't, I'm just saying, like, that's how I know.
Okay.
Alright, well, okay, I'm coming right now.
Yes, Daddy.
Eventually.
Rosa said we're gonna have to learn how to do this because I guess she thinks this is gonna happen all the time. No, right?
It's happened to me three times.
3 times? Guys, her freaking the tire, your car literally is a computer and it tells you when something's wrong. It said that your tires were not muy bien. But this is not normal. Literally a fat hole pop. That's why I felt like we got in a car accident.
I was scared.
It wasn't like a little, it was a...
Guys, it felt like someone hit my car from the back.
I thought she was on her phone and she hit somebody and you freaking, like you hit somebody.
I'm a pro driver.
Pro drivers change their tires.
To be honest, I just farted because I'm nervous.
Are you serious?
Yep. Oh, you're doing it!
Wonderful way to start our journey of living together, right? Wonderful.
Imagine the car just flops down.
That would be very scary.
I think it's working. My car's levitating.
This is how they steal tires. Rims.
JR.
Bro, I got myself stuck.
Stuck in where?
Oh, he can't get out.
JR.
Like, look, I need a...
Alright, well, where's the fob at? Fucking JR. You fucking dumbass. How did you even get in there?
I didn't even know you could do that.
Alright, JR, where you going, son?
I was trying to come out to the front.
But you were being lazy, huh?
Well, I was being smarter, thinking I could get there.
Alright, so what we're gonna do...
He's in the office.
I know, we can't even go in there.
Yo, wait. I mean, I can come out here. Should I just jump it?
Bruh.
Should I just jump the gate?
And go all the way around?
I mean, I could.
Alright, Jerry, you better run your ass here, boy.
Alright.
JR Stuber is here to save the day. I'm gonna put when he changes the tires. When he changes the tire for you. Bro, look at the hole. This shit's hilarious. Bro, what the?
I should.
What the? What is this? Dude, I don't. Bro, dude, that thing just popped. Did you put too much air? No air?
I don't know.
What?
There's a specific thing for that.
Yeah,
For
open
the
your trunk.
worms. No. But I don't think I have
Bruh.
No, it should be in it's not back here.
it. No, I bought it. It's not here.
Oh, beep beep.
Well, that's pretty important. Bro, you going to call somebody?
My mom, I think she has
Your mom not gonna come here, so we gotta go pick it up. Damn. Bro, that shit felt like a car accident, dead ass.
Do I call her?
I guess, yeah. Ask her if it's over there. Ask Coel.
Why did you guys take the wrong one out?
Huh?
Why did you
It's
guys
because
not?
the car came like that. I bought it like that.
Oh, it did.
Yeah.
And so
But what's that one for?
For the regular tires. I mean, regular rims.
Can this one fit on the back one or no?
No.
No, they're all the same.
So she has a thing that does nothing. Good job. Good job. All right, guys. I don't know what's gonna happen, but
You're right. I need to vlog this too, bro.
we got a low rider right here.
So we're changing Rosa's tires to the top. You ain't called me,
Yeah,
and
no.
this doesn't fit. Good job.
All right, guys. So Rosa just said she don't know where it is, so we gotta go buy one at AutoZone. And we gotta park this. This is a wonderful way to move. I know. Shout out to JR, man. And then don't hit the U-Haul. Don't hit the U-Haul. All right, tight to the curb. We need some work area. Perfect. I think that's enough. Yeah, this is perfect. Yeah, Mechanic Barboza. I just learned on the spot. Jared! No. He didn't even do anything. He didn't even do anything. I did all the hard work. Look at my hands. They're black and shit. Try to discredit, say I did nothing. All he did was come out here and say, oh, Rosa don't have the right tool. All right, good morning, y'all. It's currently the next day, 7:56. And I'm on my way to go pick up Rosa because I'm gonna take her to school. I don't know where this is going, but Rosa got her tire popped, and we were trying to change the tire, and we didn't have the lug nut, something like that. We didn't have the thing to swap the tire, so now I gotta take her to school. I'm so tired. I got like 3-4 hours of sleep. But Rosa gotta go to school, so you gotta do what you gotta do, you know what I'm saying? But we're currently on the road, sleepy. I really don't got much to say, but good morning. Good morning, guys. Guess where we're at? Guess what store we're at, guys? Right before school. We're gonna get cookies. Walmart. What are you gonna get? Oh, I was just talking about these right here. We're gonna get a whole box of Rice Krispies. Yeah. And the Maruchan and the salad.
And I'm gonna get chips.
And cookies.
Chips.
Oh, whack. But Rosa wanted to stop at Walmart before we go to school.
Can you leave this here?
Bye,
and give it
Rosa.
to me?
Yeah, it's gonna be in my car.
Okay, thank you.
Adios.